All right, this is a Stanley 4 horsepower, 4-gallon stainless steel shop vac. It does come with one of these little doohickeys right here that you can put on it, but you don't really need to because it just goes into the canister. These are kind of cool because they sit right on this little thing here so you can store them. Very simple. You wrap your cord around here when you're storing it. And it does come with wheels, so it follows you wherever you're going. Now, what I've done is I've put a hose, let me get that off of there for a second. I put those down there, in the interior and all of the accessories. So check it out. Pop that off. You pop that off, right? Then when you lift it up, there's your motor, right? And there's the suction where it pulls it all in. Back here is where it shoots it all out. Yeah, that's the air. You know, the air blows out there. All the dirt stays inside the canister. So here is the hose, right? And here are some of the accessories. You can get more, but I don't think you really need a lot. And this is where you connect your hose. I'll show you how it goes on. It's pretty simple. You just slide it in. And you'll notice right here, this little thing, it depresses, it pops in there like that, right? And to get it out, you just gotta squeeze it and then pull it like that when you're gonna store it. So yeah, that's it right there. Bam, it's on. Now, then you wanna put your whole thing back on there, right? You just kind of set it down. And I put it so that this is forward, and then these are gonna come up and catch that. You may have to move it a little bit, but it's not too hard. This one here. And that kind of holds it together, right? Then if you want, you can smush your wands on here, right? I'll show you, hang on. So you just kind of put it on like that. Okay, so there's your little wand. Now you have this tool right here, and I have a crevice tool here. This is for going inside like couches and sucking out the dirt. And these go on pretty simple, same way, just like that. And bam, there you are. Here's for like vacuuming up your couch or rug, whatever. And you can use, there's 3 of these. Let me get this one off of here. So you do get 3 of those. And yeah, so you can make the wand longer or shorter. To store them again, you just smush them on like that. And on there like that. And that's it basically. And plug it in. It's pretty simple. You can see I got it all wound over here. See if I can get it out of here. All right, let's just undo it. And we'll plug it in over here. There we go. Oops. Gotta get it in the right way. Okay. All right, so here we are, ready to go. And then just turn it on. Got really good suction. Oh yeah, it's a good little vac. That's basically it, I mean. And then to clean it out, you just take the top off and you pour all the dirt out. And yeah. So you can get this right on Amazon. And if you're looking for a shop vac that's super powerful, but yet it's kind of compact, this is a great one to get. And there's some information. It's also wet dry, so you can suck water up with this. You follows me? All right. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos on things like this. Peace out.